tonight's menu, it's garlic brown sugar chicken thighs. Stay with us. So for tonight's dinner, the garlic brown sugar chicken thighs, going to use chicken thighs, some salt and pepper, about 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 to 4 cloves of garlic, just under a cup or a quarter cup of packed brown sugar, about a half tablespoon of honey, about a half teaspoon of dried oregano, dried thyme, and dried basil. We'll heat up the EX6. I'm going to go to about 450 degrees. I'm going to season the chicken thighs with some salt and pepper. I'm going to then put cast iron grill or skillet on the grill. Melt about half the butter in it. Add the chicken that's been salt and peppered. Let it sear on both sides for a couple of minutes. And then I'll take the chicken out, put the rest of the butter in the skillet, add some garlic, let that cook up a few minutes. And then I'll add in the brown sugar, the honey, the oregano, thyme, and basil. And then return the chicken to the skillet. And then I'll just close down the grill and bake it basically the rest of the way. Probably 20 to 30 more minutes, depending on what the temp comes out. Should come out at about 165 degrees or so for a completed meal. There we go. As you can see, I've salt and peppered the chicken thighs very generously. I'm about to go put them on the skillet with some melted butter. The grill is just about heated up to 450 using Weber's Grillmaster Blend pellets. Put the butter in, letting it melt, and I'm about to put the chicken on. Let them sear up for 2 or 3 minutes. Good and melted. Go. Let those go 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Okay, you can hear them sizzling good. That's been a couple minutes on this side. I'm going to flip them. There we go. Get them good and crisp. I may flip them back, give them a little more crispiness on those. And I'm going to flip them back over. I like the skin a little crispier, so I'm going to give them another minute or 2 on that side, and I'm going to take them off. You can see I put some ears of corn on the grill as well. Alright, those are sizzling up good. I'm going to take them off right now. Yeah, looking good. They smell wonderful. To pour the rest of the seasonings in, the brown sugar, the honey, garlic, and the rest of the seasonings in. I'm going to turn this off and pour the rest in. Okay, I've got them all in there. Let those brown up a little bit. Garlic go. Now I'm going to add chicken breast back in. Stir them up, flip them over so they get good and coated on all sides there. There we go. Okay. Close the grill and let those go for about 30 minutes. They are looking really good. They've been on about 15 minutes. Looks like we're going to go probably another 15 minutes. Ought to be good. Looking good. There we go. There we go. Oh, those look wonderful. Those are going to be awfully good.